What's up, everyone? It's Sue Tech here, and it's 8:44 a.m. on Thursday, December 7th. And I just wanted to talk about this news about Bitcoin futures on the NASDAQ that are coming up December 11th and December 18th when it's fully launched, and how it's going to affect the price of Bitcoin. So, on the 18th, we're going to have institutional trading in Bitcoin, guys. All right. Which means that there'll be a lot of bot trading. You'll see on GDAX. You'll see it on everything, Coinigi, whatever. You're just going to see a lot of bot trading, very fast sell orders and buy orders going through. And it's really going to have an effect on the price because people will now be shorting Bitcoin. All right. People will be shorting Bitcoin, and also there'll be big sell or buy orders at various prices that will go through that will account for much of the available Bitcoin. All right. So we're talking about, 18,000 a contract might be executed, and the float is going to be extremely low, and then the price is going to have nowhere to go but down. Or shorting is going to happen, which can send Bitcoin into a complete tumble because there's no halt to trading in Bitcoin. It's an open market. So total free market. So, right now Bitcoin is at, I think 14,000. Where is it at? Let me check. Okay, I was wrong. It's at 15,000. All right, Bitcoin is $15,400. Unreal. So we're going to have periods where there's going to be short selling that will send Bitcoin down to 10,000, 8,000. It's going to be really rocky. All right, there's going to be a lot of market manipulation. So if you're a buy and holder, you might want to learn how to trade very fast, or at least learn how to trade the Bitcoin USD pair so that you can take advantage of all the dips and valleys that are coming, because there's going to be a lot. There's going to be a lot of short selling. There's going to be a lot of futures contracts executed. It's going to be real wild, in my opinion. So I recommend you learn how to trade, and learn how to trade very fast, because it's going to be a dream for traders, but it's going to be a nightmare for buy and holders. Buy and holders, you're going to have anxiety for a while, probably from here on out. So also you want to do your research on undervalued altcoins and possibly get involved with those and just hold those. Litecoin is definitely an undervalued and up and coming major coin. So you might want to just shift into Litecoin to avoid all this volatility. Now the volatility will affect altcoins as well, but it's going to be spread out over the 1,000 other altcoins. So that mitigates it somewhat. But Bitcoin is going to be rocky. Bitcoin will be up and down from here on out. From here on out. And then we have people who will end up dumping because of Bitcoin going bearish. There's going to be bearish periods where Bitcoin will just be in retreat, and people will start dumping because they'll panic. That's what happens with unsophisticated investors. So it's going to be interesting to watch. Now, this is interesting news. Gemini and CBOE have linked up to launch Bitcoin futures. That's going to be very interesting because there are people with millions of dollars on Gemini exchange. All right. hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. So, somebody with $1 million puts out a futures contract on Bitcoin for $24,000. That's a big deal. That's a whale sale that's bound to happen in the future. So, interesting times, guys. Very, very interesting times in Bitcoin. Great to be involved. But you got to keep your head. You got to keep your emotions in check. And you have to read every day. You have to read all the news that comes out. You have to constantly read. So my website, Bitcoin, Sutex Crypto. I was going to say Bitcoin's Wealth Club. SutexCrypto.com. I have all the latest news and from everywhere in one central location. So if you want the latest news, go to SutexCrypto.com and just check it out. I wanted to talk about, now, Electroneum is, it's been down about 2 cents since its high of 11 cents a couple days ago. But it's hanging strong here at 8.5 cents. And volume is also down now to about $4 million in the last 24 hours. So I think people are getting ready for the app to launch and the wallet to launch. I'm not sure if it will, but they're getting ready for it nonetheless. And something should happen by this weekend. All right. We should get news this weekend or early next week about the status of Electroneum and HackerOne and what they've been doing. So we just have to sit tight for that. Gold Reward launches Monday, so you definitely want to get into Gold Reward before Monday. Alright, so we're down past $5, and we're just waiting for the lending to take off, and lending will take off Monday, and it's going to be nice because everyone who has thousands of coins will be able to lend. Some people will be able to lend with $100,000 right now. So it's going to be awesome. Where's Legend? All right, Legend Coin, once again, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. Western, and 4 p.m. Universal Time. Once again, Legend Coin is up. All right, at 90 cents. Definitely get in. This one is so hot right now. Scalding hot. All right, so many people are involved with this one that it could be another Regal. It might be. All right, GRX, Gold Reward, is definitely similar to Regal, but this is going to be the next one in line of the major ICO to lending platform success stories, in my opinion, because it's just so much hype, even though it's very hard to buy and people are having a lot of trouble buying it, including me. Nonetheless, it's still super popular. All right, people are just piling in and they want to get a hold of this one. So definitely sign up and get ready. All right, set your notifications for 11 a.m. Eastern or 4 p.m. wherever you are in the world. And it's universal time, 4 p.m. Just get ready and be ready and use the method I talked about in my previous videos. Numerous people have told me it works and they've been able to get in. All right. You set up one browser with the countdown timer, another one with the order page. You pre-fill the orders in numerous tabs. All right. Even numerous browsers. All right. Maybe you set up, you open up an Opera for this page, and then you open up Firefox for another, Google Chrome for another, or even the same browser in multiple windows if possible. But you want to have multiple pages with the buy order and pre-fill it out. When the countdown gets down to 2 seconds, you click buy on one, you go to the other one, click buy, go to the other one, click buy, go to the other one, click buy, and one will get through. That's how it works. So I think some people even got 2 through. So you can definitely get it. It just takes a little bit of finessing and finagling to get in, but you can do it. So what else? Oh yeah, guys, I joined Hashflare. I know it's a mining service, and I talk about mining services, but it seems like this one is super profitable. So I just jumped in. All right, I put in $50, got 0.34 terahashes of Bitcoin, and I'm just waiting for the first payment to come through. But I've been researching it, and this one actually looks profitable, unlike the other ones. So I just hopped in. Because I just, you just want more streams of income. I have BitConnect, I have USI Tech, but I feel like I definitely need another stream. So I'm going to build up this as well for a stream of income to use for ICOs, investments, so on and so forth. And the great thing about it is you can automatically upgrade. So I get to 10 mega hashes, and for example, it automatically rebuys. So you can just set this up for constant rebuying, so you're constantly upgrading, and that's a great thing. That's a very good thing. Same thing with USI Tech. See, BitConnect, you have to mess with it, right? You have to always go there. You have to transport the money, transfer it into dollars, then transfer it into BCC. And then you have to, if you want to take it out, you have to transfer it once again into Bitcoin. All right, USI Tech, you don't have to do that. Hashflare, you don't have to do that. It just automatically upgrades depending on how much payout you get. So that's a very, very convenient thing, because that means I don't have to check on this. I can just let it sit and let it do what it does. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to let this sit. Sporadically, I'll purchase more hash power, but I just want to monitor it and see how it does for a couple of weeks. You see how you have the forecasts here? I'm not even 1 day in yet, so I don't have the 1 day forecast, but I want to see how it does after a week, and then that'll really determine whether I scale up or I just leave it as is. So I'll keep you guys updated on this, and I also have the link in the description box if you want to take the dive too. But I'll keep you updated. So if it doesn't work out, then I'll save you the trouble of signing up and investing. So anyway, guys, take care. I'll talk to you later. Like, subscribe, join the Telegram chat, and I'll see you soon. Peace.